Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride?
Hello, I'm Brittany and I work for Fox Stocks. I work part-time while I go to school up at App State, and when I'm up at App, I do remote work on the computer, making phone calls, putting orders in, whatever needs to be done. Be unique with their powder coating colors and their metals and what they choose. I organize all the decking materials for our dock systems. We're looking for dedication, part-time or full-time, somebody to come join our family.